In the context of human rights violations in Vietnam, women are always the most vulnerable. Apart from being victims of forced labor, human trafficking, and slavery, Vietnamese women are also victims of violence and political persecution from the authorities because they fight for justice and dare to express dissenting opinions. This violence and political persecution carried out by the authorities have more severe impact on us just because we are women. When male prisoners of conscience are in jail, mothers and wives are left to bear all the burdens of supporting their families. They also have to make visits to their sons and husbands, very difficult tasks on their own. These women are often harassed by local authorities and alienated by government-fearing neighbors. Sometimes, when they have to try to protect themselves and their children in vain from attacks by thugs hired by police. When farmer families are displaced from their land, mothers and wives and daughters often took counter tasks of going to the central government in Hanoi to submit petitions. They usually live in parks and on pavements while waiting for the authorities to respond. Sometimes, when they stage protests, they are brutally beaten up by police and hooligans. When female dissidents are in prison, the lack of hygiene in prisons makes them more susceptible to diseases than male prisoners. Moreover, these female political prisoners are often made to share cells with HIV-infected and bullying inmates, which really traumatize them. As far as our group name, Vietnamese Women for Human Rights, is concerned, the aforementioned women are targets for our support, but unfortunately, the Vietnamese authorities consider our group illegal and their policemen frequently harass our members. I hope international communities will support our efforts to defend these women. For a start, please share this video. Thank you so much for your kind considerations. Thank you so much.